Wagwan again and Sababu family. So people at a time when everybody was happy and I say yes, it looked like the COVID caused the criminal them to go underground and go bury them tool and no incidents now occur like that, and everybody was saying yes, it looked like this kind of occurred, that even though we didn't have the disease to worry about, right? But it turned out that one and two of them decide to creep out. One and two of them decide to crawl out and come do some things. Now, just the other day there was an incident of a family member taking the life of another family member, right? Then you had police versus gunman shootout in a certain community at Jamaica. And now, most recently, there was a drive-by shooting where the police is now probing this case of a person being shot while just simply walking down the road. Now, a few Jamaican entertainers, speak out, right? Both about the violence we are going during this time, as well as trying to make you aware of this situation. Let's take a listen firstly to Dan Mafia. Why Mafia say?
Yo, my people. You don't know, so I can't wait till daylight to get another message. I want to too serious, I can't talk. I can't talk a man, I have to talk now. But you know, from my day, appear things are going on early. And everything I get messed up, and I see that scene. And people have said this, people have said that, right? And you know, say, me hear everything, I'm going to try balance everything in my brain and see what really makes sense and what make sense. Because I'm not follow everything, but I want to tell them, saying people, I say, I do a research on a certain thing. And it's like earlier in the evening, I say, yo, I run a research. I'm run a research, an extensive research on a certain thing, and I check it from all angles. And you see, everywhere I check it from, between me and you know, look good people. You hear me I say? It's not a good look, I'm not come to try to scare nobody or try to make nobody fret or nothing, but I have to be real and truthful to you, because you see, the time when we should have a fight for ourselves and fight for each other and fight for build our thing, we are spending time and a fight each other and a bad mind each other and a show off on each other and get vanity minded and carried away and make people trick we and feel say, yo, everything good. Them time they wouldn't know where them have planned out for it. And you hear me? I just want to tell everybody, say, me thank you for the support and the love and everything. And, you know, I love you and everything, people. And I love the people of the world and everything. But right now, two things there. Everybody needs to open their eyes and check what the clock has strike. And everything. I'm not going to come talk up certain things and you see me? And tell you in a details, but wise up and go do some research and know exactly what going on. Open the eyes and see what going on in our surrounding. And don't believe everything you hear. You understand? Because everything we are here right now, real. You have to know yourself right now, people. You see me? And yeah, hear me? Me just want everybody just try to keep on a safe level, but you can't keep yourself safe. Do what me see? A compound human being right now. You can't keep yourself safe again. Because you don't have to do nothing right now if you lose your 3 points. You see me I say? You will look at 3 points where you have no value, nothing again. You understand? We as human beings, we don't have no rights to decide with destiny again. You see me? All of this about human rights was just lie. You see me? People, I want to know, look what going on in our world, you know. Stop market a crash, you know. Big old plane, much plane, grounded, you know, airline industry, I mash up. How much? 113 billion. What a loss is. You see me I say? People are dead everywhere. Every day, thousands of people are dead. I mean, I talk about one fireplace. When it go on to China, what day, I'm watching, I'm say serious. I'm sing a song, say I'm afraid of corona. I laugh, some people laugh after me. And I say, when I sing about that, this in there, and we are foreign that they are for China and it now coming. And they are right now. seeing? And people are catching now with me about and all about in your own district, Portmore, all about, you see me? Punish town. They are New York, people are dead for sure. My brother, they are New York, saying come like in Harvey. When he go to hospital, he see people lie down on the ground, a gap for ear. You see me? People, it's not everything you see is real. Go do research and a war going and a war cause this thing. And right now, you see humanity right now in a grave danger. You see me? Everything what we know as life right now. I done people. I mean, nobody can come tell you now about a nice thing. A beer different thing I go on right here now. You see me? And you see things that I go on. It might be good on a level for enough people, you know. But you see, in all, it's not good enough people because right now, you know, you see sacrifice what we are going to make. What people are sacrifice with for them thing work, it not worth it, you know. You see me? A long time them are doing something here, you know, people. See it? And when I chat all every day, I'm in a business, you know. Because me know say, yo, when I talk this, then will kill me people. I know I'm to talk out certain things on the media. I understand because it's serious. But everybody in our world, if you look into yourself right now, and wise up and know what time it is, and on a pretty car and a pretty house, and how much money are them things, they are getting them things in the value. Nothing. You have to fight for your life right now. You see me? Our life at stake, people. People are dead like rice grain right now. See it? Bird are dead. Bird are jump out of the sky and are dead. Goat are dead. Eh? Fowl are dead. Almost 1,000 fowls dead. You see me? Locust leg up on the land and yam how much. And yam doing whole life food them. See it? What will happen? I don't know, see what I go on. You have to lock up in your house now. 3 billion people then stood up and lockdown in our world right now, people. See? People used to get up and go work every day. Them lock up in their house right now. I don't know them are going to survive. You understand? Nobody feels that you don't know when this are going done. It's like we in a one dark tunnel and we don't know when it are going to come out. You see me? Nobody can laugh, you know, and get carried away by internet and bravery, you know, and fantasy life, you know, people. It no matter who you be, you know, you're not better than if you look into yourself and know what go on and try learn what go on and look out of your eye, you know, and try to know how you going to protect yourself in that judgment there, you know. Because real judgment, this, you know, I tell you, you know, people, me are no fool, and when you hear me come and talk about this right now, in the morning, you know. See, 3 o'clock in the morning, I have to make this video for you, know, because I love you, know, and I don't want, me just have to talk how I feel. Cruise ship park up and move. Hotel are locked down. You know, here we are going, how much hotel are locked down. Plane can park how much day. Right now, if you're the American, you want to come to Jamaica, you cannot come. Because right now, no plane can come in our country. See? How much plane ban from America, plane park up. Now know where to fly go. Plane a fly all empty. You ever see them the judgment there? Eh? A gas money me you say plane a collect now for drop you somewhere. You know? You understand? People they are foreign now and still lock up in a house. And people they are Jamaica and lock up in a house. And can't come a road because you go dead if you go a road and you have to wash off every skin off of your hand. And you still go dead. People lock up in their house and are dead same way. Eh? I want to tell me, say people, yo, look into nothing. And nobody can go on like no fool. You know, see what I go on. A judgment. And the wickedest thing we not have no right to decide with destiny then. See it? So everything where we fight for with life we did live already. I change everything, change now. Big changes. And who not believe when I go see it for yourself. And we can't do nothing. Because you know why it's too late. When we did that build each other and help each other and do things for each other and help look out for one another. We spend the time and show off on one another and hype on one another and I go like we're a fool. I don't know, say, yo, a judgment is ever come down to right now. You see me? No matter which work you're in right now from here you say, if you lock up in the house, you have to lock up. Don't. So you have to know the levels. Yo, you hear me, people? Just take care of yourself, me I tell you now. And me day we can't tell you that again, because sometimes we can't even take care of ourselves again. Because you don't know what will reach you. You see me? It's an uncertain thing going on right now. You see me? School locked down. Picking you know when they go back to school, all kind of idiot thing going on in the world. And some people still are going like they don't see what going on. And I come going like a laughing matter. When they're not laughing matter, I don't know, hype thing, you know. And I jump up like a black monkey and I tell you the truth. And I have to learn the truth too. And I know, say, yo, you know, hear me? All are we in this together. No matter where you have, no matter how rich you be, no matter who you be right now. This is something where I all are we in it together. So no man no better than a man. Every man needs to know, say, yo, it's either we are going to turn up or something, or we are going to learn to protect ourselves. What we are going to do, we have to come together and we'll have mates and know, say, yo, things not just happen now, Melissa Virgin. You see me? This big army here, but we have to see what going on and know, say, why. It's not a good look. You see me? John, bad man and bad people, because it's serious bad, you know. I tell you, I never know, you know. I just know since night, you know.
So that Mafia give you a mouthful though. Yeah, I mean agree. Sometimes we just need for us research and look into certain things and try to understand certain things for yourself. When I agree, talk to me down below and make we hear what you have to say. Alright, now Ragarugi, yeah, and the next one who have something he have to say pertaining to this thing. Make we take a listen to what the Flitters boss have to say about this.
See her for the road, because we don't want nothing. Do not the people, and we don't want nothing. Do no one. You see what I say? So I tell the people, them just work with the hard and stay in them house. You see me, because I look through my window, tell me I them blue or green men, wash me and them tell me and them wash off. Some want the fans them just do the same thing to you see me. Because life me I say, you know, and I love to everyone over the world and just know, say, yo, you see mankind are some of the wickedest thing in the world, brethren. Because I guess I know, I world power them a fight for, you know, and I go and let them a God, you know. This is judgment. That this me I hear about me a kid, brother. Say judgment day, but me I looking at the sky and check say a fire that come. And mankind I go and let them a God and make judgment day. And the world, man, the whole world shut down. This is so scary, brethren. We don't used to this, brethren. And me I tell the people, them a long time, me I tell them I believe in a God, brethren. And now this I go on everybody I talk about God. Tired, brother. Do a lot, man. Someone come like some user, man, when they're not sick and want something and I call upon God, brother. When I call upon God every day, brother, because I see that right now. Every day is God's name. I God alone can save you now. And brethren, we're not going to save no wicked, brethren. Someone now wicked, like the wicked them who build the disaster, we destroy the earth. I mean, I tell you, them say right now, everybody want to come to Jamaica. It's the safest place right now, so just take care down there. And look after yourself down there and see the real warrior now. Because down there kill out each other. And I kill out on yourself and see the real warrior now. Nearly half of Jamaica did have. And now the real warrior, or we never forget, unite with each other and fight for something. The man them kill out themselves for nothing through ignorance, man. Some more time, on have to walk, brethren, from and control, on the ego and control on the ignorance. When on a black brother and a black sister, and should have do it over the years, man. You see me? I mean, I tell you them with the gun, brethren. We respect on her, we love on her. But babe now, man. Babe now, man. Leave it alone. Get together as one now, brother. Unite as one, brother. Because God are the bad man, brother. You see me? Because the man them down there kill out themselves, brethren. Alright, they kill the coronavirus then, no? Use the gun and kill that coronavirus. And make everything up in back. People can't go to work. The kids them can't go to school. No. So this is the gun and the use, brethren. It don't have the use. It does have use one another. And kill out one another. So I beg the youth them just finish it, brethren. You see me? Because I tell you the truth, brother. Jamaica is the place who are controlling the right way. It broke out of these foreign countrymen. You see me? So you know God love on in youth. And God love on in Jamaica. On stop make Father God lose half on the brethren. And just be for yourself, man. Just love it alone, man. Black people get together now as one, brethren. This is the time. Unite now, brethren. At 20 a year we are fight for this, brethren. So let's finish it. Cause this thing stressful, brethren. You see me? So just behave on yourself, brethren. You know, temptation come my way, man. And me have to walk away, brethren. Walk away. The wickedest sitting in our life come my way. And me have to walk away, brethren. So, just walk on and just unite with one another down there, brethren. And just finish it. The war, the violence, the gunshot in each era. Just let it go now, brethren. Now is the time where the youth them know for unite. And the whole of Jamaica unite, brethren. This is the time now when all garrison, all ghetto, uptown, downtown, everyone, police, soldier, everyone just unite, brethren. And live in love, man. And make a whole of a country. You see what I say? I mean, I beg the youth them again. Finish now, man. Finish. Get together now. You see me? Now we have something to fight for. Fight for the country, brethren. Fight for each of the black nation. Now on to unite. This is unity right now. You see me? Me I beg on now. Just allow it alone, man. This thing does scary, brethren. It just don't look good, brother. This corona, I don't like the name, man. What? Come on now, rhinos, virus, come on now, man. What kind of thing this mankind bring upon the land, brother? I tell you, day me I look up in the sky as a Father God, come for your world, no, brother. I want sickness, a man I come for God, world. Brethren, we tell Father God come. All who are fight for God, world, and I fight for world power, we tell God come. Black people just unite now, brother. And the God of the flitters and peace and love to each one. Now is the time. I don't want when this thing finish, the black youth them start fight and war again. Just make this beat now, brethren. God love on the youth.
Now it's only fair that because me I use ragarugi content for spread the message, right? Me I go, highlight a little music video where the man have a drop soon and very soon. So check out that little clip here, the music video come feed very soon.
I can't leave me alone. If you don't put it up, I'll put it in my sir, me that's where something in my head. I ring like I'm a sir. Me team them man the count. The whole of our team them jump out time sir.
Yeah, flitters, big up yourself. Alright, now the next thing I'm going to show you now is of Ganguly. Ganguly offer him services to the Jamaican government to fight the corona. Ganguly say, yo, him willing to step up and play a theme part if his services is needed if this thing get out of hand more. Let's take a listen to Ganguly.
Hi, Jamaica. This is Ganguly, a product of Jamaica, okay? I'm an artist / entertainer / a real ghetto youth. I believe in a youth development, believe in my country, believe in my nation, believe in my music, believe in my culture. And I know the epidemic that's happening right now, the coronavirus. And I'm trying to play my part as a real Jamaican artist, a real product of the ghetto. May I play my part? So I'm here to address the nation today. Let you all know that let's take this coronavirus thing serious, because it is very serious. As you can see all over the world, people dropping, dying, you understand? And we are not different from the rest of people. We are still flesh and blood. Most people take this thing for a joke, okay? But I'm here to let you know that let us all unite. Now is not the time for fuss and fight. Now is not the time to criticize. Now is not the time to bad mind. Now is not the time to behave like crab in a barrel. This thing is for all of us. It's a danger for the entire nation, the entire world. You understand? It don't matter if you're brown, black, white, purple, or pink. We are all in danger right now. So, I see people still taking this thing for a joke, driving on the road, so people still, gathering. They're still not taking heed, still not listening to the higher heads. listen to the health minister. It's time for us to mature and behave like we have a proper brain. Because some of us acting like we are fool or we are dumb or stupid. I want to let the health minister know that, Mr. Tufton, I'm willing to volunteer my service to my nation if they run on shortage in the healthcare. You know, I have a little idea about health. So I'm willing to put the artisting aside and do my part to help my nation. If this thing called coronavirus get out of hand the real way, I'm willing to volunteer. So me as an entertainer, I don't care about no one else. I'm playing my part in my country. So let us take this thing very serious, as I said, and act with responsibility. Let us try to save the nation. Let us try to save the kids, the future. Okay? So protect yourself, get on the gloves and hand sanitizer, washing your hand often. You know the routine, 3 feet or 6 feet. So anyone you choose, it's all relied on you. So those people out there who are gathering, it's best if you listen and take heed, because if this thing catch you, you can bring it back home to your house, endanger your family, endanger your friends. So if you want to have a brighter future, just take heed and listen. Coronavirus is very serious and it will mash up the entire world right now. So I'm Ganguly. Take care, because I'm taking care. And protect yourself.
Well, alright then, viewers, what I want to say, how much are you willing to step up like Ganguly and give you services, right, if it's needed? How much are you willing to do that? Touch me down below and let me know what you think about this entire video. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.